Okay guys, I'm recording this for the first time. I never made a video about this, but I figure, I look at enough videos to, try to fix things myself, and I have trouble trying to do it. And I was kind of confused when I first started watching some of these videos. Okay, what I'm working with is an 03 Ford Expedition, and it has a rear AC unit. What I was trying to fix was the actuator that controls the AC blowing through the top or the bottom vents. And in other videos I had seen, this was the one that was the issue right here. But I went ahead and took it off, trying to fix it myself. And that's not it. This is the one that controls, the one that's on top. That's the one that controls the vent that blows either up or down. If you see this right here, this right here is the rear vent. This is the vent that blows to the floor. And in here is a little door in here. I know you can't see it that well, but in there, that's the door. And this little actuator here controls the door that blows the air through the top right here. If you see this, it blows it up to the top. And well, this is the actuator. I got it. I was trying to install it and I couldn't make it fit because the actual little pin in here, it was set at a different, angle, or so that that I couldn't, put it in there. So I had to actually open these clips up, remove the center little sprocket that it has there, the one that goes on this, because they're identical. The little motor's identical. Everything's identical except that this is a D shape and the one up here is a cross shape. You have to put it on here first, and then you set the little pin in there facing the direction of so it can actually fit there perfectly. Once you got it there, you put this other wheel here, and as soon as you turn it on, it should work right, and it should stop at its original point again. But I just figured, if you're having trouble putting, this is the new unit. The old one, I already took it off. The new one, it's the D-shaped pin. And it goes in there, but it was a little bit too big, so I had to shave off the bottom a little bit. You'll see this right here. That's part of the new unit. So the little sprocket will go on this one after I put in the pin. So that's what I'm going to do right now. And I'm just trying to show you a little bit about it. So I'm going to move this out of the way here. Okay, so well, this is the little the pin that goes in there into a little section there. This is the D-shaped one. If you see it, you'll see the D shape on it, and you see how it'll fit in there. So you want to put it where it's relaxed. You don't want to force it in or anything like that, because these are very fragile. Once they break, you're gonna start hearing the clicking noise and whatnot. Right there is good. Look, watch. Once the little engine is turned on, it'll move this little pin this way. And that controls, I believe, the temperature, if I'm not mistaken. And this was the other little pin, the other little spool that I took out. So you just set it to where it's at comfortably. You just kind of shimmy it in there. And right there, it's already set. Everything's tightened. Just got to put the original box back, the cover for it, and it should be working fine. Again, the top one here controls the vent to the floor or the one to the ceiling. That's the top actuator. This one is the one that controls the temperature. This one has 4, screws on there. And this one only has 3. It was kind of tricky doing it with the actual panel here, so I had to remove it. And well, the truck has been parked for quite a while, so You know, but I just figured, you know, I'd kind of explain a little bit about it. I'm not a professional or anything, you know, you do everything at your own risk. This plastic part here is kind of, you know, you can work it, anybody can, you know, just got to be fragile, gentle with it, don't force anything. And it just has clips on each side. You can actually see the little clips. See the clips? They just go on here. You just remove them. Like, shimmy it out, and it should, once it goes in, it'll just click on there. And it should be set. Just make sure you press down on all the corners there. And this is the new unit again, so now I just got to connect this baby, and it should be rocking already. Alright. To remove the whole panel here, pretty simple. It's kind of hectic. You got to take this screw out, the screw from that there right there for the other seat belt, and then you know, take off the panel that goes here, this panel here, and the panel that goes there, the panel that goes on the top there, and the panel that goes on the floor. And then this one, you can just slide it out. But it's you got that other lighter connection right there. You'll see it over there, right there. You'll see the little connection there. That connects to the lighter plug in the back. Yeah, that's how it is. Thank you for watching.